Houston metal cutting was very important to the growth and the existence of metal sawing technology. It was a trophy account, and you could bring customers over there and you could see their saw blades working in their shop. And if you were selling saw blades at Houston Metal Cutting and your saw blades were good enough for them, it must be good enough for everybody else. In the early 70s, Houston Metal Cutting was a business that was not doing well. It was a couple of bandsaws. And a gentleman by the name of Grant Armstrong purchased the company, and he and his sons worked in the company and built it to pretty much Houston's premier sawing company. I had wanted to buy Houston Metal Cutting for the last 15 years. And in 2022, that opportunity came up. I saw that there were a lot of consistencies between the companies that we could merge and we could help each other out. The company had old, antiquated computer software. We're right now integrating that into our SAP program. The company needed salesmen, and we have a sales department with our other companies. It really needed to be cleaned up and organized. We've been doing that. We've ordered new machines to replace some of the old ones that have been there since the 80s. One of the biggest reasons we bought the company is we wanted to complete the circle from manufacturing and distribution, and now we're a customer. We get to see how our blades perform under real-time, very critical production environment. How many square inches a minute on a particular material can one of our particular saw blades cut? That is something none of our competitors have the ability to do. It is a huge advantage to us, and we intend on using that to the full extent. This acquisition of Houston Metal Cutting, it means a lot to me. I think more on a personal level, because I kind of grew up there. It's nice to see stuff still made here in the US, and it's nice to see the products that they produce. It's kind of like the creation of an airplane starts with somebody cutting that first piece of steel. We're that somebody. We process that first piece of steel.